to Leap Scholar, India's #1 study abroad platform. So this video is part 2 of our new series, Scholarships for Studying in the United Kingdom. If you haven't seen the part 1 yet, make sure you check it out before you watch this video. I'll link the part 1 video in the top right corner. Let's dive straight into part 2. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the last 2 categories of scholarships for Indian students to study in UK. These are the scholarships offered by British universities themselves and the scholarships offered by certain Indian institutions and trusts. So starting with the university scholarships. As I mentioned in the last video, there is a wide range of scholarships available in the UK for meritorious students. Each university offers its own scholarship to the students who they think are deserving and who should be awarded it. Starting with the university scholarships. So as I had mentioned in the last video, there is a wide range of British scholarships available for Indian students. And that's because almost every university in UK offers some kind of scholarships to its international students. Of course, the eligibility as well as the deadlines for the scholarship, they vary from college to college. So you will have to check out the website of each college to get information about their own particular scholarship. Now, I'm going to list down some of the scholarships offered by various British universities for Indian students. First is the Clarendon Scholarship at the University of Oxford. This is offered to both full-time and part-time graduate students at Oxford University. Next is the University of Edinburgh Global Scholarship. This is awarded to international students who are enrolling for graduate programs at Scotland's University of Edinburgh. There are special scholarships for students from developing countries as well. The Gates Cambridge Scholarship for international students. This scholarship is only for full-time international students who are pursuing a full-time postgraduate degree at Cambridge University in the UK. Next, we have the Rhodes Scholarship at Oxford University for international students. This is a merit-based scholarship for international students who want to pursue Masters and PhD programs at Oxford University. Next, we have the Swansea University Undergraduate Scholarship. These are a selection of undergraduate and postgraduate scholarships available to international students planning to study at Swansea University. These are available to students from all regions, but especially from Asia and the Middle East. Next is the University of Birmingham International Postgraduate Scholarship. This is a postgraduate scholarship offered to 20 international students at the University of Birmingham every year. The University of West London International Ambassador Scholarship. This offers up to 100 scholarships to international students who are pursuing their undergraduate or postgraduate studies in the UK, and it also gives them a chance to be the ambassadors of their home country. The Westminster Full Fee Scholarship for international students is for master's students enrolled at the University of Westminster. This scholarship is awarded based on merit as well as financial need. So I'm just going to name some of the universities in the UK which offer scholarships to their own students. I will also put down an entire list of all the university scholarships in the description box below. You can check that out after the video. So the Oxford University, Cambridge University, Swansea University, University of West London, Birkbeck University, Heriot-Watt University, the University of Edinburgh, the University of Birmingham, Cardiff University, University of Westminster, the Imperial College of London, King's College of London, the London Metropolitan University, University College of London, St Antony's College, London School of Economics and Political Science, the Newcastle University, the Sussex University, University College Dublin in Ireland, the University of Aberdeen, the University of Bournemouth, the University of Dundee, the University of Sheffield, the University of Southampton, Warwick University, and the UWE Bristol University. These are all the British universities and colleges which offer scholarships to their international students. As I said, I will be putting a list of all these scholarships in the description box, so you can go and check that out. Finally, let's talk about the last category, scholarships given by Indian institutions and trusts to Indian students who want to study in the United Kingdom. The first one is the Aga Khan Foundation International Scholarship Program. The Aga Khan Foundation offers a limited number of scholarships for postgraduate studies to outstanding students each year. This scholarship is offered on a 50% grant and 50% loan basis through a very competitive application process, which is held every year in the month of June or July. Since this is a merit-based scholarship, the main criteria for selection are consistent, excellent academic records, genuine financial need, and admission into a highly reputable institute in the UK. Next is the Inlaks Shivdasani Foundation Scholarship. This is for students who are pursuing their higher education in the fields of art, culture, music, painting, and humanities. Next, we have the Ramanujan Research Studentship in Mathematics at Trinity College, University of Cambridge. The Trinity College of Cambridge offers this research studentship to students who are wishing to pursue research in the field of mathematics. This is a highly competitive scholarship and is given to meritorious students. The Trinity College and University of Cambridge offers this scholarship to students who are undertaking postgraduate level research in mathematics. Finally, we have the Abraaj RCA Innovation Scholarship for master's students in the United Kingdom. The Abraaj Scholarship is available to students who are pursuing master's level of study for 2 years at the Royal College of Art in London. Every year, for a period of 5 years, a cohort of 5 outstanding students will be selected for this opportunity. In order to be awarded a scholarship, the candidate must have excellent academic records and demonstrate the potential to change the way people think and behave. So guys, this brings us to the end of the series, Scholarships for Studying in the United Kingdom. I hope you all found this video informative. As I said, there are lots of scholarships available for international students who want to pursue higher studies in UK. We will be listing links in the description box below, and you can always sign up for Leap Scholars free UK counselling program to get the best guidance and apply for all the scholarships which are relevant for your profile. You can sign up using the link in the description box below. If you liked this video, make sure to click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for regular content related to studying abroad. See you in the next video.